Yeah. I just posted spitting 2 freestyles for you guys. Please like and support. 1089, it's the movement.
Yeah, I'm about to spit it, I'm in it to win it, so put your bid in. No Jason kidding, this game I ain't playing, but this game I'm straight enslaving. I'm dangerous and they be scared of us, cause we coming in like a nightmare, no terror. Yeah, but I'm a terrorist to the game, cause they never see me coming, but I came in both ways. Yup, like your girl, she be by. Yeah, when I'm spitting on a rhyme, cause I'm that flyer guy, and I know I'm gonna go higher than a kite. Yes, no Cheech and Chong, but I rip that bong real strong. And I'm stuttering, cause I'm straight hustling, never mumbling, cause it's money, I'm getting to it faster than you could do it. No Usain Bolt, but I'm breaking world records, and I'm never gonna choke. And I'm about to straight go further than y'all. And yeah, I'm about to murder, and I'm about to mother this game, cause I'm twisted up in the brain, cause I'm going so insane. Stunting in these Timbs, cause I am #1. Going so cray, cause I am the chosen son. I am the only one that my mother raised to become the greatest in this god game. Yeah, and I said that in a slurry stutter, cause I really meant that, cause I never wanna go back to the time where I was broke. And I wanna be up, dripping gold, cause I am a pharaoh to the game. I'm a king, I'm inspiring all these young G's to be better than me, cause I'm claiming the top. And I know everybody got a whole lot, so I'm about to give you more, so keep in stores. I mean, I'm about to take up all the stores, cause I'm about to be rich up in this bitch. And I'm about to split your biggest bitch's wig. And I be stuttering and mumbling, but I'm never wondering why I be the best, cause I put all you to the test. Yes, and like I said, no let them in, cause I'm about to score, and all the girls adore me, cause I got a whole story to fill them with, cause I got them 6 scriptures, and I got that shit that will straight uplift ya. And if you don't get it, well, I just feel sorry for ya. Yep, I really feel sorry for ya, cause you ain't with my crew, cause you ain't with the dude who about to do everything he said he was about to do. If you get it, then you with it, and then I don't got to put the kid up in it. Like I said, Jason done retired, so the games I ain't playing. Yes, I use that as a metaphor, cause I love the NBA, cause I'm a baller myself. And I'm all about the money and the wealth, and I'm all about the health, so I do it for my fam. Mama, I love you, and I do what I can. Papa, you done raised up a good young scholar. Like I said, I learned from my father. Yeah, I'm the chosen one. You better choose up, son. And I'm better than none, cause I ain't got no competition, kid. And I ain't playing, no. It's 1089 on the freestyle flow. Much love to all the people.